Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today I want to look at how to fix worn screw holes for your cabinet. Just a quick tip, hopefully, is to buy this Mr. Grip. Good for fixing stripped and worn screw holes. I've never used it before, but I bought it because I saw it there at Lowe's and was like, well, that sounds like just the thing to keep in my box. So, I'm gonna do a quick test on it and see if this in fact works to fix these really fine stripped holes.
So, seems easy enough. You simply cut the little metal strip to size, push it in there, and that fills the hole. As you can see here, I can just like push these screws in, pull them out. They barely were holding, but you can see here I'm kind of wiggling the screw, so it was not ideal. So I simply cut a little strip of that and pushed it in using a Phillips head bit, and there you had it.
All right, so we've got the little strip in there, and then oh yeah. I should have put this in wiggly, but just to show you the difference. Now it's super tight. That's awesome. All right. Works in seconds, and now is as strong as ever. If you have a stripped hole, Mr. Grip stripped screw hole repair kit, available at your local hardware store. Hey, hit that notification button and subscribe for more videos from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.